guys, ito na channel guys. What the Sigma was is that? I see that. I see that.
Kung gusto niyo pong makibahagi, maaaring mag-donate ng bigas, ready to eat na pagkain o mga tilapia. Nangangailangan din po
Let's go in. This is my friend.
Maaari po pinatid ang donasyon sa ABS-CBN
Okay, go
Foundation
to
Warehouse sa
You
number
need it, but it's yours, I guess.
para naman sa
Because it's yours.
iskan lang ang QR code na nakikita sa inyong screen para makapag-donate gamit ang GCash, Maya o PayPal. O bumili ng donation vouchers sa Shopee o Lazada. Para naman sa international donations via PayPal, narito po ang QR code na maaaring scan. Maaari rin ipadala ang cash donations sa mga bank accounts na nakikita sa inyong screen. Tulong-tulong po tayo, mga kapamilya. Tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan dito sa Showtime Online! Yes! Huwag niyo po kalimutan gawin na ating official hashtag ngayong araw na hashtag Showtime para from on bansa.
Kwentong hato and di ka sa suyo is powered by Road. Kaya naman enjoy hashtag it's Showtime with Road. Kasama natin ngayon ang Road Small Mike. Siyempre ang Roadcaster Duo.
Sorry guys, nakatag.
Road Talaga ni-experience ang Road technology para sa tunay na content creator.
Ow.
Nagpapanood nga natin ang ating mga breaking news.
Nagaganda.
Kasi Chris Perez ang ginawa ay
As you can see guys, I have some videos supplies. I will give away this if you like and subscribe to me. If you like and subscribe to me, I will give it away.
Siyempre, hindi naman nagpahuli si News
And
kasi CC Rojas.
importantly, please don't share anyone. You might scam.
Diba?
So I will give anyone something, but don't scam me.
At siya po si Sisi, sumabit si Danica naman.
Oh my
Parang
God.
Sora, inalak pa siya ng palala.
Where is the Is this a private server?
Papagilot na naman siya namin.
I don't need your Oh my god! Let me pass this big Tom Labra. Let me pass. What the?
Go! Ako, nandito ako sa ano ha?
Ay!
Ako ay nasa Kapamilya Online Live.
Adol. I see that.
Escort mo show.
Pwede mo mas tayo. Actually, na-try na yung first weekly virus natin tayo yung news tsaka escort.
Candy Blossom. I don't have Candy Blossom though. Oh my god! My crab. That is my crab. Hey, that is my friend Garden. What are you doing? I know what are you doing. You're gonna steal our coins again. Stop. land is so big. Hey! No! I'm so lucky. This candy bar. Oh no, I am alone. I am alone. Bye bye for today, guys. See you next time.